Hello everyone, it's Chloe here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's background is a bit different because we are in the study. So again, mind the echoing, I'm sorry, I can't help it. But today's video is actually going to be really fun. Today I'm going to be reacting to a YouTube friend of mine following my own YouTube makeup tutorials. Basically, I'm going to watch her watch me and do the makeup. Does that make sense? My friend Nat did this. I'll leave all her description links, everything down below. Please go subscribe to her. She's almost at 1,000 subscribers and that is her goal, so please go subscribe, you know, be all kind. She did this 2 weeks ago, but because of like Christmas and New Year's and everything, I haven't been able to film my reaction. I haven't watched this, so this is gonna be 100% my first review. No, not review, my first watch of it, whatever you want to call it. And I'm really intrigued because the thumbnail looks terrible. So by the thumbnail, I can tell that it is from my video where my Instagram followers chose my makeup. She asked me if I had any tutorials with the blood sugar palette because she owns the blood sugar palette, and that's the only one I think I know of. I'm excited to watch it. I've got my cordials, the marshmallows. I'm basically just gonna chill with you guys. I'm in my PJs. I'm just gonna chill, do a chill sit down video, basically watching YouTube videos together. So Nat, this one's for you. I know you've been bugging me to do this video, so hey girl. I'll either put me in the corner or the video in the corner. I'll do something, but I'm gonna put it next to it so you guys can see. So let's get ready to watch this video. Okay, so this is the I tried following a YouTuber's makeup challenge. 431 views, which is insane. I'm sitting in front of my computer right now. That's why it looks a bit odd. So let's click on this. I'm really scared. Okay, we'll read the description. Oh, she tagged my channel. Little cutie. So 28 thumbs up, no dislikes. Thanks guys. Okay, let's watch this. It's 18 minutes long, so grab a cup of tea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hi Dal.
Like a kind of different kind of video. I'm going to be recreating a makeup look by the one and only Chloe Benson. Chloe's YouTube link will be down below.
So,
the video I've chosen to do is a video that she allowed her Instagram followers to choose her makeup. So I'm just going to put this out there now. I don't have every bit of makeup she does. She has like a really large variety of makeup, and I don't. I'm not a makeup artist. I just like to do my makeup as a hobby kind of thing. But she's really good at makeup, so I have no
so are you. Oh.
How this is going to go, but I don't know. But if you do enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join my little family I've got growing here. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Whoa, why is everything there? Jesus.
I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
Hello everyone, it's Chloe.
Ew. Ew, I look terrible. It's my hair. That looks bored as shit.
Hello everyone, I'm looking at Instagram.
Hello back here.
Yes, right now. Foundation. Ooh, Too Faced one. Okay. Kind of wasn't expecting that, but whatever. So we've got Too Faced foundation.
Okay, so she goes through them like all together, but I'm gonna go one by one because I'm slow. So let's just
move.
Well, it's funny,
okay.
My chosen Pearl. I do think this is a bit dark for me, so I do apologize that it's a bit shit.
This turns orange on me, but you know. Hold on.
Same!
Hold on, Chloe. Do we not prime our face?
No.
Are we not priming? Okay.
I don't
I'm
prime.
just gonna assume she didn't prime her face, so I'm just not gonna prime my face. I've never not primed my face. This is very new for me. Okay, so I'm gonna do what she's doing.
I don't prime.
Again, my brushes are dirty. Nothing new.
Oh my god, me too! Oh my gosh, this is so dirty. Oh shit. So she's applying a brush.
Oh my god, she's so cute.
Oh god, this is gonna be such a mission. Oh, wait! Patient! Wow. I look hot.
Is this what people do? Like, I feel like if I'm watching a tutorial, like I did with the Nikki one and stuff, where I tried to follow their tutorial, I'm the exact same position that Nat is now, but watching it, I'm just like, oh my god, like it's just really weird to think that people can sit down and follow a tutorial and just be so different to someone else's, you know, tutorial, not tutorial I guess, but like the way they do them, the routine, that's the word I'm thinking of. It's just very different to someone's routine, and it's just really, it's really insane to see Nat do this because I'm so used to doing it my way, but then compared to her, she's doing it completely different to what she does normally. It's really interesting to see. Okay, just thought I'd put that out there.
Oh my god, I can't believe I don't have primer on. Chloe, what are you doing? But usually I do my eyeshadow first. Oh my god, Chloe. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is she putting it on her eyelids too?
Yeah.
She put it on her eyelids as well. Oh my god. Oh my god, Chloe. Ready? Oh my god. I did it.
But I look full coverage, which I don't.
I don't.
So I'm gonna do my ears.
I look so tan.
Okay, she put concealer on. I don't have the Too Faced ones. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer.
I love that. I love that concealer. This background music, oh my god, I just want to say something. I deleted all the background music off my videos because it's so annoying. And I asked you on Instagram if it is annoying for you guys, and a lot of people said it was. And when I watch my tutorials back, or just people in general that have background music, it irritates the shit out of me. So I am so sorry if you stuck with me and you had background music. It's annoying me, I'm sorry. I just wanted to put that out there because it annoyed the shit out of me. And I just realized I have hair in this video and I look crazy, so okay.
It's darker than the actual foundation. How cute. That literally done zero. I did nothing. Since she fast forwarded hers, I can't really fast forward this. As if I've never even realized, like I watch Chloe's videos, right? And I've never realized that she puts her foundation and then concealer on top of the foundation.
I basically just do foundation. I don't really do concealer anymore. I used to do it a lot because basically all the time I do my base first, majority of the time, unless I'm doing colourful look like this. I did my eyes first today. Felt so weird. But I basically changed between doing my eyes and doing my face first. I think Nat does her eyes always first, like you said. I always do my base first, so I like do it on my lids, like with the beauty blender to like prime my lids if I'm doing eyeshadow or something. It's really weird, I know, but like it's what I do, you know?
That's actually kind of like better. I might start doing that.
This concealer definitely does lighten my skin, which I do love.
I can't relate because I don't have it.
I love this foundation. I keep forgetting how much I miss it, but can you see the difference between my neck, or my chest, sorry, and my neck? Like,
Girl, how do you love it?
girl, that's not normal.
Girl.
I'm gonna set this with a little finger going brush, or a sticky pin.
Oh, so she uses a brush. I've got my beauty blender ready. Okay, we'll use this.
Okay, because this video is so old, I changed my makeup techniques so many times during my entire like makeup routine. I change my techniques incredibly often. So basically what I do now is I use my beauty blender or a powder puff. I rarely use that brush anymore unless I want to get in like the crevices of my nose. This is a very old video, I'm sorry, but like I just want to point that out that I do change my techniques so often. You'll probably find that I change it really often and it's really bad.
Okay, so now I'm just going to put that brush away. I'm going to get a little powder puff and just...
Okay, I'm going to use the brush.
And then I'm going to get another powder puff, which comes with the EOS phone. And basically, just pat it.
I don't do any of that anymore. Because I love a good cake to look, I need to powder a lot in different techniques. You probably have noticed that if you've watched me for a while, I change my techniques with my face and my skin so often because it's so cakey, because I love full coverage. I'm a full coverage queen. So I need a lot of powder. As you can tell, I have a lot of shit on my face. So that's why I do like so many different techniques. So Nat, I'm so sorry.
Okay, so now I'm going to my...
Wait! Okay, next.
I love it.
I have the Comb brow pomade. It's like a gel.
That's some high-end shit.
Obviously I have black hair, not brown hair like Chloe does. I usually use this for my brows, but considering I actually have the brush that she's using, I'm going to use that. I'm going to use this. I don't use this for my brows, but you know.
Okay, can we just talk about her eyebrows? Her natural eyebrows are fierce as shit. Genetics. Can I have some please? Like, hello. That is so satisfying to watch.
Come on, Chloe, hurry up. You're so slow.
You're a little bitch.
You guys did colourful look, so I need to plan. Do like a pinky red crease and like cut crease it.
Oh god.
I don't really know what I'm doing.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Holy shit.
Chloe, we don't swear on this channel.
Sorry, PG.
All my brushes are dirty.
Same. We have the same brush holder. This is so weird to watch.
Shit, this is a beautiful colour. I'm gonna grab
I agree.
now.
Wait! Chloe, patience. Why is she not doing the other eye? Don't you do the eyes together? I'm very confused.
I have purple right here. I'm gonna grab that.
Oh.
That was more pigmented than mine. Jeffrey!
I'm gonna use a bit of the concealer. I'm gonna put a bit on my lid.
Patience! Mine looks a little bit different to hers though. I feel like I put too much.
It looks fine. It looks sick.
Okay, I've got really hooded eyes, so I'm gonna look.
Same.
I'm going wearing a really pigmented white because most of them aren't bright.
That's still true. Okay, I just want to say something. I love this palette. You guys know I love this palette, but I also love this look. Like, this is probably my favorite look I've done, like, because I love reds and I love white. Red and white together, perfect combination, 100%. And that's killing this.
So I think the eyeshadow is pretty much
Okay, so
done.
why on earth is hers looking better than mine? I mean, it is Chloe, and she knows how to do it. But like,
So you!
oh my god, Chloe's doesn't look like this.
So the eyeshadow is done.
I'm sweating up a storm! Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, this looks nothing like Chloe's, but you know what? Whatever. So I'm just gonna quickly do the other eye because she didn't do it on camera, so I'm not gonna do it on camera. It looks so much better on Chloe. I look like an idiot.
I really like
I love
it.
you.
The videos, it reminds me so much.
I'm not.
It looks good.
I'm just gonna use normal eyeliner because I don't have black eye lipstick like her. So when I do my eyeliner, I generally use the Quick Flick. So I'm just gonna use that because it's just quick.
Hence the name.
Cool. Now that I have dildos on the end of my eyes, yep, that's finished.
This is such an old tutorial for me.
The mascara has treasures YouTube better.
It's mental.
These are on my top and bottom lashes.
Oh, whoa! She puts up my 4 lashes. No. Oh crap. Okay. Top and bottom, right, Chloe?
I have met so many people that have done their mascara after lashes, but I do it both ways. I put them on before, then put lashes, and then blend them together with more mascara. Hands up if you do that too. Please let me know if you do that, or is it just me?
I look like a clown. So she puts the mascara on.
Then put lashes. It's okay, girl.
I'm going to cut this bit out, and obviously next clip I'm going to have lashes on, so we're now going to move on to the face. So the lashes are on, so the eye portion is completely done now.
Give this video a thumbs up if you think that lashes saved this look, because I think that
Those lashes are gorgeous. Girl, what lashes are they? I need them in. They're freaking stunning.
Anyway, we're moving on to the face.
Very comfortable, because I need to chisel these cheekbones.
I feel you go. Okay, well for contour I use NYX Highlight and Contour NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, and I'm just gonna mix it with Face of Australia bronzer. So let's just
mix everything.
Mix them. Okay, let's just, before we jump ahead of ourselves, Chloe, let's just do one thing at a time, please.
Sorry.
Did she do her face?
Blushing bronzer, and I'm literally just going to use the shit tone. So I'm going to mix the pink and the bronzer, so obviously the blush and the bronzer together.
Cool, I didn't use bronzer. I didn't use blush.
Okay, honey boo, honey boo boo. Please try blush. Don't go too ham on it, because a lot of people don't like blush because it's so pigmented and it makes them look like literally a clown. But if you haven't tried blush, please do. What I do is I do my contour and highlighter and all that jazz, and then blend it all together with the blush, and that's how I get that seamless glow. Because my blush has like glitter in it. It's like a highlighter blush pretty much. Try it, okay? Try it.
She doesn't do the rest of her face, she literally just gets it up.
Second one is test.
I do my forehead and my jaw, but I just don't put it in the video. I should really add that next time. She's still bronzy.
I have a really similar palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Child Glow Kit. It's kind of similar. I feel you, girl.
Highlighter is fantastic.
Oh, on the nose. Oh shit. Oh my god, you're fast, Chloe. Stop. Oh.
This is my favorite look. I'm just going to set my face.
It's not my favorite look. I actually have. Okay, I have that. Pause, Chloe. Pause. I have that one. Here we go. Whip it real good.
My go-to nude.
I don't have lipsticks, guys, because I don't have lips. So I'm just gonna not put lipstick on. And I literally have no lipsticks.
Why is there an eyeliner dot right in the center of my inner corner? Ew.
So this is it. Her makeup routine is definitely different to mine. If you watch my videos, I do my stuff very different. Chloe is really good at makeup. I feel like this suits her a lot more than it suits me. I'm not sure if it's because I've got like black hair or anything.
You killed it. I need those lashes, please. She's so cute.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed
Oh my God.
this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up before you go. Subscribe so you can join my little fan here. Chloe's channel will be in the description. I'll see you next time.
Bye. Oh my god, that was so fun. Oh my god, that was mental to watch. That was insane. So that's it for this video, guys. Basically, I loved that. Now I love you. I appreciate you so much. I might follow one of your tutorials. Who knows? A lot of people do their routines very, very, very differently. It's insane to think that someone trying to follow my tutorial is so shook to the core because I do it so differently to them. So it's just insane to me. Because I change my techniques up basically every video, it's really hard for someone to sit down and watch my tutorials because every video that someone watches, I'm doing something different, or I skip something, or I don't do something. So it's insane to me that watching this tutorial back, I didn't do basically half the shit I do now. It's just insane to me. So thank you, Nat, again for doing this video. I love you very much. If you want to subscribe to Nat, please go and send her some love, and I'll leave all her stuff down below so you can subscribe, follow her on Instagram, do all that jazz. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys do recreate my looks, please let me know, and I might do another reaction video because I love reacting to things. If you want me to react to anything in particular, leave them down below in the comments as well. This video was very, very different, but I hope you guys enjoyed. So again, if you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up for me. If you're new here, please subscribe because I make 2 videos a week for you guys every Monday and Thursday. Again, all of my social media links and all of Nat's social media links will be down below in the description box like always. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.